everyone, IC members. I am Sudha Bhadoria, Vice Principal of SDS Kids International Public School. I welcome you all for virtual inspection. Sir, we have two entrance gates. One is for entrance and another one is for exit gate. Sir, please come. I welcome you all. Please welcome, sir. Let me take you inside our school campus. Sir, this is the parking lawn for parents, visitors who comes here, and this is the parking lawn for the parents. If they are coming before school time, they have to wait here to receive their children. Sir, please follow me.
ये आप देखते रहना, सब बढ़िया आ रहा है। ये आप देखते रहना, बाकी हम लोग देखेंगे वीडियो वाले।
Sir, this is the main entrance gate of our school. Let me take you inside, sir. Please come, sir. We are strictly following precautions due to COVID-19, checking temperature and sanitizing the visitors before entering school campus. Sir, this is guard room. All the visitors and vehicles which enter our campus, we maintain records here. Sir, as you can see here, we have 4 flags. Actually, we are conducting inter-house competition for the children for their skill development. So, we are organizing various competitions for the children. We have 4 houses. We have already divided children among 4 categories. That is yellow house, red house, green house, and blue house. So, please come, sir. This is our administrative block. Welcome you, sir. Sir, this is reception area. This is the cash counter. Advanced technology in our school. We have computers. We have printer. We have telephone. This side in reception counter, attendance record. Even we have Xerox machine. Let me show you, sir. Sir, even we have biometric machine and staff washroom for staff. Let me take you inside our manager's office. Please come, sir. This is the sitting arrangement. The sitting arrangement made for the visitor. Those who come here, we make them comfortable. And this is the school bulletin board. All the functions which we organize, we display here. Independence Day, Republic Day, sports activity, everything we displayed here. Sir, please have a look this side also. We have 2 boards. Now I am standing in front of Director Sir office. Please come, sir. This is our Director Sir office. Here our ma'am. We have installed CCTV camera and voice recorder in all the classes and labs, building and administrative building. As you can see on LED, for the safety of the children, proper sitting arrangement, all advanced technology you can see here, sir. These shield has been won by our children. Sir, now let me take you to conference room. This is our conference room. Here we are conducting all academic and non-academic meetings. Sir, let me show you our office building, administrative building from outside. Sir, this building is very well decorated, very beautifully, very colorful. All the banners of flowers for the children, counting numbers from 1 to 100. And of course, on my right hand side, green lane of all flowering plants. Due to this winter season, actually leaves are dried up. Very well maintained. Here you can see another banner of solar system. And of course the famous slogan, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Sir, even we have installed CCTV camera all over for the safety of the children. Another slogan, save water, which is very essential. Sir, right now I am standing on the left side of the office building. Let me show you how beautifully we have decorated the building for children, domestic animal and pets chart. So whenever children, they have a glimpse, they will, when they visualize it, they remember it. We have places of worship, good habits which they must follow, stationaries, quotations. We have number name chart 1 to 100. Birds chart, fruits chart. As we move forward, even our school banner along with school code and school affiliation number and good manners which everyone must follow. Let me take you to academic area, sir. Sir, let me show you our parking area where we are parking all school transports. Area of school campus is 14,300 square feet. And we have planted so many different types of trees. Now let me take you towards our open auditorium. It's very spacious, very big. All big functions we are organizing here, like Republic Day, Independence Day celebration, Sports Day celebration, Annual Day celebration and exhibitions, which we are conducting every year. IC members, let me introduce you to our PT sir, Mr. Ratnesh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Now he will explain about indoor and outdoor activities.
हमारे यहाँ
आउटडोर और इंडोर गेम्स की बहुत सारी एक्टिविटी होती हैं, जिसमें ये हमारा आउटडोर एरिया है, जिसमें ये लॉन टेनिस का कोर्ट है। नाउ बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट। नाउ बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट। नेक्स्ट सर, ये बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट। नाउ नेक्स्ट बैडमिंटन कोर्ट। बैडमिंटन कोर्ट का हमारे यहाँ दो है, एक बॉयज़ के लिए और एक गर्ल्स के लिए। नाउ नेक्स्ट वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट। Now next Coco court. This is Coco court. Now next handball court. This is handball court. This is handball goal post.
IC members,